what's going on? Maggie from M&R here. Today we are in Dupo, Illinois, visiting our friends over at Alluvion, and guess what they have? The 300th Cobra. Let's go inside. Hey Rich, I'm Maggie.
Hey Maggie, Rich Petty.
Nice to meet you.
Let me show you around.
Sure, let's go. I am with Chris Brown, who's the owner and founder of Alluvion, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the name, how it started, and the history. Chris?
Yeah.
Hold on 1 second. I'm ready now.
Perfect. So, yeah, Alluvion. You know, the obvious reason is we're in an alluvial plain. We're right outside of St. Louis, Missouri. So, you know, the Mississippi River has carved this alluvial plain. We're underneath the bluff of the Mississippi River, literally. You know, and the second main reason Alluvion spoke to us was that the connotation comes from flooding and overflow, and that's our business as a contract decorator. You know, our customers are importers, manufacturers, and when they're overflowed or, you know, they're flooded with work, that's kind of our time to shine. So, you know, we're handling their overflow, we're handling their flood, and that's kind of where Alluvion came from.
Works
those
out
two
perfectly.
things. Yeah, yep.
Chris, I see a lot of blue in your shop. What's the history? Have you always been an M&R shop?
Yeah, so we're in our 17th year. It hasn't always been blue. There's been some other colors in the very beginning.
All right, we're done here. I'm just kidding.
I had a good friend in St. Louis who owned a print shop, and he said, hey, I bought an M&R press. You need to come see it. Within a couple minutes of walking in, they were running a big, you know, 4 or 5 color job with underbases and a lot of flashes. And just hearing the press when I walked in, I was like, wow, that sounds fast. Yeah. And within a couple minutes, I realized this is the direction we need to go. And, you know, so for the past, I'd say 14 years, it's just been adding and adding a lot of blue.
A lot of blue. Well, we're lucky to have you in the blue. Woo-hoo. I'm with Steve Wantz, who's the VP of Sales over here at Alluvion. What's one of the key tools you have here in order to gain more customers?
I think one of the biggest keys for us is transparency with our customers. I've been in a lot of places before where customers are constantly calling you like, hey, where's my order at? Is it going to ship? Do you have tracking? And it's very time consuming both for them and us. So what we've actually done is implemented a program where our customers have live information. As we're shipping product out, they can see what we're actually shipping out. It has the tracking information for them. So it's easier for their reps or for them so they don't have to bug us every day, and allows us to focus on true manufacturing.
So Rich, you're the president of Alluvion. What's the backstory of this company?
So we started in 2003 as a team dealer, and we did that up until 2021. With the team dealer model, it's very low run oriented, servicing teams and kids. But we got really good at small runs, setups, teardowns, and we decided to leverage all of that history and experience into a new model where basically we're catering to businesses. It's all wholesale contract. We're working with brands, and we're, like I said, we're used to these low setups, these low runs, and it's made us really good at a branded model like this.
What is the mission of your company?
So, you know, any mission is important to a company. I think we spent a lot of time thinking about what it should be, and basically what we want to do for our customers is give them really high quality, high value decoration. And I think with our technology, we're able to give transparency at a really high level, and that transparency in data also helps us drive performance internally. So with those metrics, we can show people what their performance is and really try to help them improve and actualize their potential.
Yeah, I see your scoreboard over there.
Yeah.
So congrats, you guys have the 300th
Yeah.
Cobra. Can you tell me why Cobra when we have so many other options? What made you choose it?
Yeah, so how we landed on this model was kind of like a series of fortunate events. I had an interview with an operator from a different company. He was talking about the Cobra. He was really excited about it. They had just received one. I wasn't really all that aware of the Cobra at that time. You know, we were doing gauntlets and sportsmen's up until then. I did a little research and there's a lot of great features. When I look at equipment, you have to look at it from a value perspective. So there's a lot of things that go into the decision, and I think that the Cobra offers a lot of value. So you've got the sportsman, at this level, you got the gauntlet at a higher level. The Cobra feels like right in between there, and you're getting a lot of the really nice features from the gauntlet. The LED lights on the print heads, the flat indexing, you know, really nice controls for registration. So I felt like the value was there. And then what really sealed the deal is we have 3 existing dryers. We have 6 existing machines. You can't really rearrange your entire floor. So I noticed that the Cobra diameter was 470 centimeters, whereas the Gauntlet 3 in the same configuration, 1412, is 511. So it just made us feel like we could not move dryers, we could not move as little presses as possible and still fit it in here and get that bigger press for more colors.
I think it's a beautiful, perfect fit
Yeah,
over
it
here.
looks great. It fits perfectly.
How does this Cobra help you achieve your future goals for Alluvion?
Yeah, so in this industry, screen count is critical, right? So it's natural that people want to have more colors and lower size runs. And in the future, I think that we're going to continue to try to achieve that for our customer. And this machine gives us that higher color count. It's a really fast motor, setup's really easy with all the nice controls. So we're able to do more setups every day with this machine. I mean, there's days where we're doing 30 setups in one shift, and you have to have state-of-the-art equipment to be able to do those kind of numbers.
Right. So I saw your guys setting up a job earlier. What are they printing today?
Yeah, so we're super excited that we got the 300 Cobra. We also love to give apparel to our employees. We love seeing our logo out in the market, and I think it's also really nice because there's ink, chemicals, it's easy to get dirty. So we're constantly giving apparel to our employees. We decided to do a special print with our logo and the Cobra 300th logo, and we're gonna run that today.
I want dibs. Rich, I want to congratulate you on the 300th Cobra. Thank you for letting me visit you guys here at Alluvion. You have the golden squeegees on the press. Now you have the official M&R Blue Crew squeegee.
Awesome.
And we're going to go have ourselves a pizza party.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Woo. Thank you. Ready? Let's
Yes.
go. Woo.
Good. Yeah.